Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sonam Singh and this is my YouTube channel. It's Sonam. Please do consider subscribing my channel and press the bell icon for further updates of my videos. So friends, I am here with a new video, that is Amazon shopping haul. Actually it's also a video of beginners makeup kit in a low budget. Actually I am a beginner of makeup and I seriously don't know how to do a professional makeup or a good makeup also. So I have created my small makeup kit in a low budget and I have brought all the makeup products from the Amazon, but few of them are from the nearby my house market, that is offline market. So I will share you all the products with its prices along and link all the products in my description box. You can go and check out there. So friends, before starting the video I would like to give you a proper mention and a note that the product that I will be showing to you is definitely from a brand, but I am not clear and I am not 100% confident that these brands are real or not. So
If you know about that, please mention it in the comment and I will be loving to read your comments. So let's get started.
So starting on the first product is the primer. In the primer it is written Huda Beauty, but I am not clear that it is from Huda Beauty or not, but it is a base waterproof primer. You all know the function. It is of 50 ml and along with this I got a combo of also a matte makeup fixer, that is this. It also belongs to the Huda Beauty and these both products came in combo and these both cost me 125 rupees. So for a beginner I think this is the good price that I got. I will link these product description in the description box. You can go and check out there. So moving on to the second product, I got the mini foundation tubes, that is this is Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I have taken in the shade 128 warm nude and it cost me 238 rupees. Actually not the single one, I also got this two combo in 238 rupees and I think that for a beginner the small tubes are enough. So separating both, if you will buy this single piece it costs you exactly 199 rupees and I got a combo, so it is 238 rupees. So moving on to the third product, I have brought a Color Essence foundation stick. Friends, instead of buying a concealer I have brought a foundation stick. So this belongs to Color Essence and it is in the shade natural brown. So this packaging looks like this. When you will open it, it's simple like a lipstick only. You can see how much product it has and you can see I have used one or two times only. So this foundation stick cost me of 195 rupees and it's oil free and in it is written SPF 15. It means that it is very good product which prevents from sun rays. So moving on to the next product, I have brought this Lakme rose powder with sunscreen. You have to use this for setting your foundation and setting your concealer. I have to set my foundation stick because I have foundation stick instead of concealer. So this is the very necessary product to have to buy for your face makeup and it cost me from 135 rupees. The link will be in the description box. You can go and check out there.
So let me open this and let me show you this. So tight.
So this is the box and you will also get this blender puff from which you can blend your powder on your face. Now moving on to the next and my most favorite product of this makeup kit. This is this. This is Swiss Beauty Mini Eyeshadow Palette in the shade 02. It contains 9 shades and it cost me 175 rupees. It is not the single one. It also came in two combo, like they both are same palette and all the shades are similar to each other. It contains 3 shimmery shades and rest of them are matte shade. So this is the best thing that I recommend to all the beginners who can buy this palette. So let me open it and let me show it to you to all. Now let me show you all the 9 colors on my hands and I will show you all the colors. They are easily blendable, so let's get started. See, this is the first color, that is a dark matte brown color. I have taken it and I will swatch it here. You can see the color.
So the second color I am taking, and see, these are all the shades. This is shimmery shade. This is another shimmery shade. This is pink, light brown. This is, I think, the lightest color in it. This is light, and you can see. You can see the colors. See, this is the best color you can use. These are all the colors that you can use very nicely. These are all the shades. These are all the swatches that I have done. So I will link this product in the description box. You can go and check out there.
So moving on to the next product, and the very cutest product of the all and the most important for doing a makeup is this. Guess what it is? It's a Hello Kitty makeup brush set, and let me open it. And yes, these are all the brushes. You can see here, brushes contain is lip, face shader, eyeshadow, foundation, angled eyeliner and eye shade stick. So here are all the brushes. You can see exactly size is this. So let me show you all the brushes. These are all the brushes. Brushes are in small size. For beginner, it is good to learn from this. And so along with this product, I also got a makeup sponge, that is this. This is used for blending foundation, concealer and all. You have to just wet it down, just sponge it very tightly, then you have to just dump it on your face. So these both are in combo and they cost me just 82 rupees. Can you imagine? These two products just cost me 82 rupees. Oh my god, this is the best ever product that I have purchased in the cheapest rate, and this is, I think, the best for the beginners to learn from them. So moving on to the next product, and for me it is the most irritating product. This is Kiss Beauty highlight and contouring stick and all. This packaging looks like this and the product look like this. This is your contour stick, and another side it's the highlighting stick like this. This highlighting looks like this. It is looking like a crayon. I am not satisfied with this highlighter and contouring stick like this. You can see they both are very disgusting. I don't like this product at all. Stick cost me 156 rupees and I don't like it at all. So moving on to the next product is this eye mascara. This is of 7Cs and it is not available online. I have bought it from nearby makeup shop. So this cost me of 90 rupees and I have not got it on Amazon. So I will link another affordable product in the description box. You can go and check out there.
So let me show you opening it. This packaging is like this. This is Crystal Black Mascara, Perfect Lashes with Perfect Mascara. This is the spoolie from which you can apply the mascara on your eyelid.
to the next product is this eyeliner. This is sketch eyeliner and it is from MAC and it cost me of 115 rupees. And again, this is not available on Amazon. I have searched many times, but I will link sketch eyeliner in the description box, which is very affordable for you all. You can go and check out there. So this is like this. You can see how black it is. It is like a liquid and it does not spread also. Actually, it's a waterproof eyeliner. In the makeup, overall makeup, I just love applying eyeliner only. So moving on to the next product, I have brought this Personi Kajal and it cost me 90 rupees, and again I have brought it from offline market, so it cost me 90 rupees, and I have searched this online but it doesn't cost 90 rupees. It is very high cost, so I will link another Kajal in the description box. You can go and check out there. So this is Personi Kajal and it is waterproof, smudge proof and all. So this is like a pencil. You can see the tip is growing, so you can see the blackness of this Kajal. It is a good product. So moving on to the next product is this. This is a lip balm. This is only cost of 10 rupees, but online you can't get this type of lip balm at just 10 rupees or like that. So online I have bought a crazy lip balm and I will link it in the description box. You can go and check out there, but it cost 79 rupees. So for a beginner, I just invested in this for just trying. This is used for moisturizing and prepping your lips. So before applying lipstick, you should apply this. This is in the flavor of strawberry, which I love very much. So moving on to the next product, that is lipstick. So this is the lipstick that I got from offline only, not online. So this is matte lip gloss from the brand Kiss Beauty. This is in the shade 02. So this is this, and this shade I have already applied on my lips. You can see it and its shade, but for better convenience I would like to also apply it on my hands, and this is this. You can see the shade. This lipsticks dry very much. This is liquid lipstick, so you must apply a lip balm on your lips before applying it. So this is its shade and it cost me 180 rupees. So moving on to the last product of my makeup kit is this makeup remover. This is most necessary thing you should buy for a makeup kit. This is Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, which removes makeup, cleanses, soothes. It is used for face, lips, eyes, and this. Okay, this cost me 156 rupees and it is of 125 ml. So quantity is good, and you have to just take a little bit of quantity, means a drop on a cotton, and you have to remove your makeup. So it is the most important product you should buy, because just removing from face wash and soaps does not remove your makeup properly. This is must. So friends, all the makeup products are over, and this is all in this video. So I have shown all the makeup products and the prices. So I will link all the products in the description box. You can go and check out there. So at the last, I have to show you my small makeup kit. So this is the kit that I have created in a low budget, and it cost me around 1700 rupees at least. So this is it. Thank you so much friends for watching this video till the end. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit bell